I get a lot of questions about what is BS. Well, BS is bullshit. Now, let me explain. With bullshit, I mean stories. And with stories, I mean everyone has stories, which I call BS, that is blocking them from going to the next level or from growing. Now, these stories can be very deeply embedded and they prevent you to taking action or to doing things. Now, the way these stories slip in is they slip in through people you knew in your childhood, your teacher, your parents, even later at school. And in the beginning, they protect you, these stories. Let me give you an example. Don't talk to strangers, right? Now, when you are a child, that story will protect you, right? Now, when you grow up and you still have that story in your head, it will prevent you like contacting people or like even selling if you are a salesman or whatever. So then they prevent you, they keep you on the same level. So what once was implemented to protect you is now holding you from going to the next level or to grow. Now, the thing is, we are so convinced of these stories that they are true that sometimes it's hard to one, catch them, and two, lose them. And it's even harder because we don't see them as stories or BS. We see them as truth. That's why it's so important to catch these stories and to see what it's all about and see if they had their purpose, if they have served their purpose, and simply to change them. That's the only thing you need to do. And that's fairly easy. But for doing that, you first have to learn to catch them. That's what it's all about.